Today I'm going to show you my newest game, which was a game jam game, a puzzle game which was on the brief of a game where you have to solve puzzles, including numbers to unlock bonus items. So I decided to go out and try and create an original puzzle game. And as much as a grid full of numbers makes you think of games like 2048 instantly, I tried going with something a little bit different, more original, and I'm quite happy with what I come up with. So I just want to give you a quick run through of how it works. So the game works, you have different mathematical operations at the bottom you can choose between. You start with addition, you can unlock the other operators as you go through, as you level up through the leveling up system. So you can click on any tile, and then the second tile you click on, you're going to apply that mathematical operator to the two numbers. So 1 plus, and the second number I press on 6 will give me 7. Now, what happened? There was a 7 underneath it as well. So when the resulting tile moves to its new place, it will look to see if there's any tiles of the same number, and if there is one, it will match and you get the points that are on the tile for it. So let's do another example here. If I add 1 to 5 here, you can see that there's no 6 either side of this, and so that doesn't match. Now what it has done is it's caused a bomb, which is the one way you can lose in this game. So with a bomb, you need to match a tile next to this that will give you the same number as that. So if I add 3 to this 3 before this timer runs out, it defuses the bomb, I get the points for it, I can carry on. So the aim of the game, like the title implies, is you need to get up to 1337. That'll create a special lead block, and then you need to match that with another lead block. So you basically have to get up to 1337 twice and have them land next to each other. Now, it's not too bad, but if you start rushing, that's where things get a bit tricky. So at the moment, I'm going to level up so I can unlock more of these abilities. So let's just add some numbers quickly together. And every time you every time you add numbers together and they don't create a match, you have a chance of that bomb spawning. So you always need to be wary of thinking how I'm going to defuse that bomb if it does go off. So you can see with these, I'm keeping these two numbers quite close. So if I increase this by 6, I know all I need to do is add 10 to this if it turns into a bomb. So instead, I'm going to match these so I can get some points. This turned to a bomb typically, as I said that. So let's try and get up to 28 quickly. I think we need another 4, no, 2 after this. That defuses that for me. And I've leveled up, so I'm now able to redeem, well, you either get to unlock these at the bottom, or you get a challenge at the top to give you more bonus XP. So you can see this is saying 3 plus 8 gives you, so this is 11. So we need to match 11. You don't just add up to 11. So I can add these. It's going to give me 11, but I'm not going to finish it. I need to match 11. So I need to find a way to add up to 11 and match them like this. These tiles go off, I get the bonus XP. I can now go and earn myself a new mathematical function. So I'm going to get multiplication, because if we want to get up to this high number, it's probably going to be a lot quicker if we do it with multiplying. Now, I could just stack up multiply, 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 one after the other, but the more times you use one number, or one tile, I should say, in a formula, then it's going to increase the chance of a bomb spawning on it. So it's a bit more about planning, I guess. So I know a good way to get up to this number roughly would be get 10 times it with 13 gives you 130, times that by 10 gets you 1300, and then you can work on the rest by there. So I'm going to go down that logic. I'm going to make a 10. It typically turns into a bomb, so I quickly think, right, what can I do here? I can add an 8 to that too, possibly. That defuses it, great. Let's try and build up again though, so I add 10. I want to make my 13, so I'll do that. I can now multiply these together, but what I'm going to think about, if this turns to 130, how am I going to quickly combat that? So I try and plan ahead a little bit. So I get another 10 here, and I might get another 13 over here. So I know that if one of them turns into a bomb when I do this, I've got a way to combat it. Okay, so if I put this in now, it's going to change it to 1300. I haven't really got a way to combat that if that happens, so I'm going to try and go about it in a safe way again. So let's add to that. Oh man, I'm multiplying, that's why it's not, forgot to change. Okay, so, oh, I just matched the tile I didn't want to match. Dear. Okay, let's try and do this again. So let's multiply these. Okay, so I need to get 37. Now I could just add number on, number on, number on, but every time this multiplied by here is going to get bigger, which means it's more likely to get a bomb as well, right? So I'm going to try and make 37 separately. I've got 30 already. I can try and add this 7 to this. Oh, I multiplied like an idiot. Oh, shit. Okay, if we make 30 and times it by 7, so that times 6, have I got a 6? And then times that, yes. Can't believe I got that. That was lucky. Okay, let's try this again. We want to get 37. So We can do like 6 times 5 maybe to get up to 30. Have I got a 6? I haven't. Okay, let's make a 6. I should probably redeem um, something as well. So we got a 6. We'll times that by 5. We need to add 7 to this. Add, not multiply. Don't go to bomb. Okay, then we can add this. And we've got our first leap block, people. So, that's good. But we haven't won yet. We need the purpose of the game, if you forgot. And go through this. If we click on how to play. So this comes up the first time you play it, but it tells you the way to win is you need to have 2 of these leap blocks next to each other. That'll complete the game for you, not just creating one of them. So we need to go through now and get another one built up. You can also see that I'm on 16 turns. Every time you go up a level, you get your turns back up to 20. So you need to keep an eye on those as well. So we're now going to go, I'll try going down the same formula if I'm honest, because it seemed to work okay that time. So let's make a 13 over here. And I'll make a 10. Have I gone 8 anywhere? No, 4 and a 6. I've got a 6. Okay, let's add these and make a 10. Let's multiply these. Don't bomb. Okay, good. So if I get a 10, I'm going to start making my 37 as well. So if we do 9 times 4, it gets me close. Let's add 1 onto that. So I might add this into here. I need a 10 to times with it and then hope it doesn't turn into a bomb. So let us do, if we go 5 and 5, yeah, we go 5 and 5 over here. So let's hope it doesn't go. If it does, we're a bit screwed because I need to, don't bomb. Oh, it bombed again. Okay, what do we need to get to? 1300. 3 add, we haven't got fucking 7. 4 and 6 times then this add that. Oh no, I did it in the wrong place. I should have done it the other way. Okay, well, hopefully at least that gives you an insight as to how the game works. If you get 2 of those leap blocks together, you win the game, and that's generally the purpose of it. So hopefully this has given you an idea how to play. Try it out on Android, it's probably going to run a bit better. If not, there's a WebGL version on the GameJolt website you can use, or any other platform that I shared this on. Thanks for watching.